How to enable or disable Show Text ID in Developer Options on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the Ultra, or the Edge. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Now, from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Developer Options. From here, scroll down. Then tap on Show Text ID. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Show Text ID is a debugging tool in Samsung's developer options that reviews the resource IDs or text identifiers for UI elements like buttons, labels, or menus on the screen. When enabled, it overlays text resource identifiers on the top of the UI components. These identifiers are used internally by the system or app developers to look for something like the string, the home title, the ID, or the button submit. So the purpose of Show Text IDs is to help app developers and testers see which string resource or text ID is being used. It's useful for localization, UI debugging, and accessibility testing. It lets developers check that the correct text ID is being pulled from the app's resource files. And that's it. If you don't need to use it, you can switch it off. Finally, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.